At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A weight loss plan typically includes a set time frame and a meal strategy to serve as a roadmap. It helps individuals make healthier food choices, control portion sizes, and achieve a calorie deficit, key factors in shedding excess weight. At Carepatron, we offer various resources to support your client's weight loss journey. Here are two examples. 30-day meal plan for weight loss. Our 30-day meal plan is a carefully designed guide that outlines a month-long strategy for daily food intake. The goal is to reduce overall calories while ensuring the body gets the nutrients it needs to function at its best. This plan isn't about deprivation or extreme restrictions, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes. By incorporating a diverse range of foods, this plan helps fuel the body and make the weight loss journey more enjoyable and manageable. The 21-day fixed eating plan for weight loss. The 21-day fixed eating plan is a structured, results-driven approach that promotes healthy weight loss over 3 weeks. It combines portion control, balanced nutrition, and regular exercise. A key feature of this plan is its focus on portion control, using color-coded containers to measure food intake from different food groups like proteins, carbs, vegetables, and healthy fats. By sticking to these portions, participants can create balanced meals that support overall health while steadily losing weight. Here's how to use our 30-day meal plan for weight loss, which follows a general structure to other meal plans. Step 1. Download the template. Start by downloading the 30-day meal plan template, which you can find linked in the description or on our Carepatron app. Explain the plan. Walk your patient through how the 30-day meal plan works. Emphasize that it's not a quick fix but a sustainable approach to weight loss. Customize for your patient. Tailor the template to fit your patient's needs based on their height, current weight, and activity level. This ensures they get enough nutrients while maintaining a calorie deficit for weight loss. Plan meals and snacks. Using the template, plan out meals and snacks for each day of the month. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to provide a balanced, nutritious diet. Create a grocery list. From the planned meals, make a grocery list for the entire month. This will save time and help your patient stick to the plan without extra trips to the store. Encourage consistency. Remind your patient of the importance of consistency. Encourage them to stay committed and track their progress throughout the 30 days for the best results. Here is a sample of our 30-day meal plan for weight loss, to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.